Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your wallet on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on privacy and security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and click on the wallet. So here, as you can see, you have information that your data is encrypted and your device can only be shared with can only be shared with your permission. And apps that have ever requested access to banking and financial accounts will appear here. So as you can see, I do not have any application that have ever requested the access to my wallet, but if you have one, this is going to be listed here, and also you are going to have on the right side of this application, name of that application, little switch right here, the on-off switch. It means when it's green that this application do have access to those informations. If it's going to be gray, like you can click and switch, it means that this application has no longer access to this data. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!